Hey friends, if you wish to hotspot Windows 11 on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the interesting thing. We know that we can create a hotspot with our phones, and that is very easy. Everyone has done that once. But did you know that you can create a hotspot with your computer as well? Though it's less popular, but you can. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Network and Internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Mobile Hotspot and then turn the switch on, and then you can share it over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but Wi-Fi is a better option. And then you can edit the details here, for example the name of your Wi-Fi, password and all. Now you have already seen my Wi-Fi password. I'll change it after this video, and this is the one that others can use to connect to your Wi-Fi. And as for the available band, you can keep it at 5 gigahertz if you want someone closer to you to connect, and if the person is farther, then use 2.5 gigahertz. Click on save. It's easy, it's very easy, it's much easier than the computer or the phone hotspot. And now the question is, why would one use a laptop as a hotspot when the laptop itself connects with the Wi-Fi? So the answer is that there's something called as a USB stick. So you can use that USB stick, that dongle, to connect your computer to the internet and then transmit that internet to other options. And especially in the 5G era, this can be very useful. Other than this, if your system is picking up internet from, let's say, a small router, that those mobile routers, so in that case, the ones which have that SIM, in that case you can amplify that signal, because this signal will be much better than the one used to the hotspot. Even more, what if you do not want to share the password that is being used for your Wi-Fi, or the password that is not being used for your mobile router? In that case, you can use this mobile hotspot option, because its password would be different. Its password would be the one that we have mentioned in this edit section here. It will not be the same as the usual router. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.